We're going to unlock this phone, S21 Samsung phone. I was I was subscribed to AT&T, and AT&T, despite my full payment for the settlements, never gave me the option to unlock it. For that reason, I moved. I changed companies, carrier companies, and since I need to use the phone, I decided to try this Cellunlocker.net to get the locking pin. So I'm recording a video to see if this is gonna work. We already put the new SIM card on the phone. We're gonna turn it on, and let's see what's gonna happen when the system requests for this unlocking pin. Okay, we are in now. It's asking for the pin. We're gonna type it in and see what happens. Luckily this is gonna be the right one, and I'm gonna be able to finally use my phone that I pay a lot of money for it. 309-184-283-068 0417. Ooh, great, it works. So perfect. Now I unlock my phone. I was glad to wait the almost 26 hours that I have to wait for the pin to come back to me, but it was worth it. Thank you.